The sands of time have buried empires, yet the echoes of their great rulers persist. In the land of the pharaohs, during a period known as the Middle Kingdom, one sovereign left an indelible mark, Senusret III. His reign, a pivotal epoch in Egyptian history, witnessed significant transformations in governance, military power, and the very identity of the nation. The 12th Dynasty arose following a period of relative decentralization. Senusret III inherited a kingdom seeking stability and strong leadership. Born into the royal lineage, his early life would have been steeped in the traditions and expectations of pharaonic rule. Upon his ascent to the throne, Egypt faced both external pressures and the enduring influence of powerful regional governors. Senusret III is particularly remembered for his decisive military actions in Nubia. These campaigns were not mere raids. They aimed to secure Egypt's southern border, control vital trade routes, and extract valuable resources. Egyptian military prowess under Senusret III reached new heights. He personally led his troops, demonstrating his commitment to protecting and expanding Egyptian interests. The construction of a network of formidable fortresses along the Nile in Nubia served as a clear statement of Egyptian dominance and a mechanism for long-term control. These military successes brought wealth and security to Egypt, solidifying the pharaoh's authority. Beyond the battlefield, Senusret III implemented significant administrative reforms. He moved to curb the power of the nomarchs, the regional governors whose growing autonomy had presented challenges to centralized control in previous periods. By reorganizing the administration and strengthening the authority of royal officials, Senusret III consolidated power in the hands of the pharaoh. This restructuring allowed for more efficient management of state resources, facilitated large-scale projects, and contributed to a more unified and stable Egypt. The impact of these changes resonated throughout the remainder of the Middle Kingdom. Senusret III's reign also witnessed considerable investment in public works. The construction and improvement of canals, such as the strategically important Canal of the Pharaohs, connecting the Nile to the Red Sea, facilitated trade and communication. Temple building continued, reinforcing the pharaoh's role as the intermediary between the gods and the mortal realm. Artistic representations of Senusret III often depict him with a stern and resolute expression, a departure from earlier idealized portrayals, possibly reflecting the realities and responsibilities of his powerful office. This imagery underscored the strength and authority of the Egyptian monarchy under his leadership. The reign of Senusret III stands as a testament to effective leadership and decisive action. His military victories secured Egypt's borders, his administrative reforms strengthened the central state, and his public works fostered prosperity. He was a pharaoh who left an undeniable imprint on the 12th Dynasty and the broader history of ancient Egypt, his actions setting the stage for continued stability and influence in the region. His period marks a high point in the Middle Kingdom, a golden age of Egyptian power and organization.